Candied almonds. The smell alone will get you. It's cinnamony, sweet, crunchy. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Okay, we've got 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of water. And we're just going to whisk this together until frothy. Okay, that's nice and frothy. And we're just going to set that aside, and we're going to take a small mixing bowl and a spoon, and we're going to take 3/4 cups sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to mix those together real quick. Now let's get a large bowl. We're going to take 4 cups of dry whole almonds and put them into the large mixing bowl. We're going to pour this egg mixture over the nuts. And you're just going to toss them until they're coated. Now we're going to take the cinnamon mixture and pour that on top. And then again, just mix it around till they're all covered. Once you've got them all nice and coated, you're going to get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And you're just going to pour that out onto the parchment paper. Just spread out evenly. All right, we're going to put this pan in a preheated 250-degree oven for 25 minutes. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. We're just going to take these out of the oven for a minute, and we're just going to flip them or toss them. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes or so. Okay, we just took these out of the oven after the second 25 to 30 minutes. They smell amazing. And so we're just going to flip them over once again, and then we're just going to let them sit for like another 15 minutes or so before we want to taste them. All right, the candied almonds are done. They've been cooling off for about 15 minutes or so. They smell amazing. They have this outer layer on the outside that looks crunchy, and you can't even wait.
I'm not waiting for it.
It's like, it sounds so good. It smells good.
Yeah.
So tried the candied
I love
almonds.
these things. We love these things. If we go to a Buc-ee's, if we pass a Buc-ee's, I want to go through all that mess just to get some of these things.
We had almonds on hand, and you can use basically any nut that you want to. We just had almonds on hand. Pecans are really good with this. It was really, really easy to put together.
I'll take those.
Okay.
I just got off work, didn't know she was even making these. She knows how much I like these, but I'm diabetic, so I can't really have a lot of these, but I'm going to tonight.
They've got that crunch. It's just really...
They're perfect.
Yeah.
They're a perfect snack. They remind me of circuses, and when you go to the mall and they have that person that's making those copper kettles.
It'll make your house smell
These
really good.
These are amazing. I mean, they taste exactly like those. So I don't know how you made them, but yeah, they're all right. Very good.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
These will make them better.